Did I just hear you say you don't like oats? Like some people will say, I don't like oats. It tastes funny. Have you tasted this creamy oat? I made this for my home and I thought to bring you along. And here we cook with love and glow with grace. The list of the ingredients will be in the description box below. So this is chia seed, this is salt, this is sugar. You can decide to reduce the sugar. This is the oats, and this is milk. I'll be adding the cold milk to the pot and I will allow that to boil for a minute or 2 minutes. I just want it to be warm before I add the oats. I'll be adding my oats to the milk. Sorry, to the milk. So the ratio should be your oats should be 40, and your milk or water. You can try to use water if you don't want to use milk. Your milk or water should be 60. Then you will add chia seed and sugar and salt to it immediately because you want the chia seed to be soft. Then I stirred that together. This isn't just oatmeal, it's fuel for a soft, powerful day. Honestly, if you take this in the morning, I bet with you wouldn't have appetite. Not that you wouldn't have appetite to eat, but you'll be full till later in the day. Like later in the day. Honestly, oats keeps you full, balance your blood sugar, and boost your energy. They are packed with fiber for your gut and skin loving nutrients for your glow. And you can try to add toppings, but for me I don't add any toppings like nuts, like fruits, whatever. But for me, I just add milk. I'm a creamy girly. I love milk and everything that I take. You let that cook till it gives you this thick consistency, and boom, it's ready. I served mine with milk. Like I said, I'm a milk girly, so I added more milk. Let me know if you were adding toppings to yours, nuts or fruits. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.